What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a ride and review today going to Club A Steakhouse. Club A is a small mom and pop joint steakhouse, much like Tuscany Steakhouse, but it's on the east side. It's on East 58th. Tuscany's on West 58th. Meeting up with some friends from law school. It's kind of our annual steakhouse spot. I've been to Club A many times throughout the years. It's one of the early steakhouse review blog reviews that I've done. They do a great job. They have a really unique item here. It's a chicken parm pizza, but it's made with vodka sauce instead of regular pizza sauce. Made with like penne alla vodka sauce, and it's cool because it's like a huge breaded chicken cutlet, round like a pizza pie, pounded flat, covered with sauce and baked to a bubbly crisp. It's delicious, and I'm looking forward to getting that. I always love it. Oh, 3rd Avenue is closed. That's strange. I'm gonna ride on it anyway. I also saw that they have a prime rib now. So I'm excited to try the prime rib. I've never had that here. Looking forward to that. So this place, like I said, is on 58th Street. Basically between 2nd and 3rd Avenues. So I'm on 3rd Avenue right now. I don't know what's going on with the road closure, but I'm liking it. I'm just ripping up 3rd Avenue. And eventually I'll take a right on 58th, unless I get detoured, and it looks like I'm about to, because it looks like this is like a block party or something. So I'll have to go over to First. I mean, maybe it's done now. No, I gotta go over to First. Detours. Story of New York City. Balloon man in front of me. Great place to park with an ambulance. This road's really bumpy. Same area on 2nd Avenue is terrible too. All right. We're getting up 39th Street now. So I know this place is close to 2nd Avenue, in between 2nd and 3rd. So I don't want to go like a full avenue in the opposite way of traffic. So I'll have to head out the other, take a left somewhere. I think I'll go through this tunnel. Nice when you can hit high speeds like that, open up. First Street. I'll probably cut left on like maybe 57th or 55th and get back over to 3rd. This will be a fun night. My buddy, one of the guys that I went to law school with, he grew up with the owner of Bruno's kids. So they're friends from growing up, long time, going back 35 plus years, probably more of friendship. I'm gonna take this left. Good people, good service, just old school. They really take care of you there. Just crossed over 2nd Avenue. Coming back up on 3rd again. I'm gonna take this right. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take this right here on 58th, and it'll be right on my right. Oh, we got traffic, of course. I see the red awning coming up on the right. Club A Steakhouse. All right, here we go. I got a spot to park, and I'll see you on the inside. Pick that up.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Brian, do it. Pick it up.
Whatever. You got it? Mike's got it.
Brian, give me your plate.
Give me one. Pick me one up.
I'll give you the big one. Big one, son.
That's a nice one.
Look at that. Dion, give me yours.
Chicken parm pizza.
I think we did have this last time.
Holy sh!
Thank you, sir.
Hold on.
It's beautiful. Vinny, get that soul. Look what he did to it. It's beautiful.
Oh my goodness! Wow, that's a lot of work on that sole. That's gonna change the smell of our urine.
Sulfur piss, baby.
Yeah. Paulie, you down with that spinach, Paulie?
I'm down.
I'll try a little piece of that.
All right, you're done.
Do it. Coffee.
Wow, look at this. We got fucking Roman emperors in here. Look at the grapes. Your is gonna be amazing tomorrow. Like, all right, so Club A, everything as good as I remember. We tried the burger to start off with. I didn't get any video of it, but I know I got a nice shot of it. I never had the burger there before. I really liked it. Huge steakhouse patty, nice melty cheese, really nice. And then the other thing I hadn't tried there was the prime rib that I was saying on the way up. Excellent prime rib. I don't know if they were just doing that for like a Father's Day special. It's Father's Day weekend. But man, I hope that's a regular item. It's delicious. I get that every time. So good. Perfectly cooked. So as usual, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. I've got years and years of reviews information on this place. You'll see all the pictures. You'll see lots of different updates over the years. Check it out. And as usual, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Tell your fucking grandma.